Hello children. P, Q and R are natural numbers and P is equal to 45,620 and Q is equal to 6,235. If sum of P and Q is equal to the difference of R and Q, then which one of the following is the possible value of R? What are they saying? Sum of P and Q, that is P plus Q, is equal to what? Difference of R and Q. R minus Q, that is equal to R minus Q. Now we should find out the value of R, children. Okay. So for that, what should we do? First let us find out the sum of P and Q. P is 45,620 and Q is 6,235. When we add these two, what will be our answer? 5, 5, 8, 11, 1 carried and 5. What is the sum? 51,855 is the sum. Let me write it here. 51,855. What is this? This is P plus Q. Now what is P plus Q is equal to? P plus Q is equal to R minus Q. And we know the value of Q, right? Q is equal to 6,235. Now we know the difference. Yes, and we know the minuend, that is Q. What should we find out? We should find out the larger number. Sorry, we know the subtrahend, the smaller number. We should find out the minuend, that is R here, that is our larger number. Okay children, now how to find out the minuend? Minuend is equal to subtrahend plus difference. Yes, let us add. Difference is 51,855. We write it here, 51,855 plus what is the minuend, subtrahend, that is Q. Q is 6,235. Clear children? Now 5 plus 5, 10, 0 here, 1 carried, 6, 9, 10, again 1 carried, 8 and 5. What is our final answer? 58,090, that is option D. Clear children? First we found out the sum of P and Q, and that is equal to R minus Q. Now we have the difference and the subtrahend. We are finding the minuend by adding the difference and the subtrahend. We got 58,090 as our final answer. Next question number 39. In a garden there are 45,623 flower plants in each row and there are 2,560 rows in the garden. Find the total number of plants in the garden. It is a very simple question, right children? The number of plants in each row is given and also the total number of rows are given. Now we should find out the total number of plants in the garden. How will we do that? The number of flowers in each row multiplied by the number of rows. Yes, 4, 5, 6, 2, 3. Sorry, 4, 5, 6, 2, 3 into 2, 5, 6, 0. 2,560 rows. Now if we start multiplying 3. Now 0 into anything becomes 0 only. Yes. 0 3s are 0. Again everything is 0 only. 0 into all these numbers is 0. Now coming to the next number 6. A new number in the new line. Placing 1 0 after 6. Why? Why? Because after 6 we are having 1 digit. Yes. 6 3s are 18. 1 carried. 6 2s are 12 plus 1 13. Again 1 carried. 6 6 are 36 plus 1 37. 6 5s are 30 plus 3 33. 6 4s are 24 plus 3 27. Yes children, that was 4 5 6 2 3 into 6. Now what is the next number? The next number is 5. 5 3s again. Before multiplying we need to keep 2 zeros. 5 3s are 15. 5 2s are 10 plus 1 11. 5 6 are 30 plus 1 31. 5 5s are 25 plus 3 28. 5 4s are 20 plus 2 22. Now coming to the last digit, that is 2. After 2 we are having 3 digits. So 3 zeros. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12. 1 carried. 2 5s are 10 plus 1 11. 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9. Yes. Now we need to add all of these partial products. Now children, I'll add here, but I'll write the answer here. Yes, because there is no place to write below. All the zeros. 0, 8, 3 plus 5 again 8, 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 6 14, 4 here 1 carried, 1 plus 0 1, plus 3 4, plus 1 5, plus 4 9. Yes. Now 7 plus 8 is 15, 15 plus 2 17, 7 here 1 carried, 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 1 6, 2 plus